Cradle Choir is a singing group set up by Welsh National Opera for people who are living with dementia and their immediate carers, family, and the wonderful team of volunteers that we have here working with the group. It's a fun hour of singing and socialising. I use the word fun, I stress that as highly as possible because that is the aim of the game. It's not about being the best singer, it's not about being the world's most confident singer. Anyone can join, it's all about being part of something very special.
I thoroughly enjoyed it. It's been a lifeline for me.
Got such characters here as well, individual, and the kindness here is wonderful.
I love participating in the singing. It's quite inspirational.
I came as a founder member, and I came because my husband had dementia and was in a home. The home used to come through on Zoom, and we used to see him, and he used to sing with us and thoroughly enjoy it.
My husband started to come here. He was in memory clinic, and with his forgetfulness, we thought it was just a lovely idea to be here.
So the real joy of singing together as a group and enjoying each other's company is the main benefit. Everyone leaves with a smile on their face, hopefully having enjoyed the music I've worked on with them each week. But it goes without saying that singing is something that brings people together. Music is something that brings people together. And I think now more than ever, that's the most important thing.
We have people coming to this group that don't go to any of the other dementia supportive groups. I think they see it as something very special for them. It offers a different type of support as well, which is important. It's in a normal environment, it's not in a medical setting, it's part of community, and I think that's been the biggest benefit for them. And also to be seen that WNO are willing to support people with dementia is, giving the people a huge sort of boost to themselves as well.
For Welsh National Opera to facilitate the Cradle Choir now is as important as it's ever been. Singing, togetherness, socialising, and enjoying the company of others whilst making music has always been a benefit to people's health, people's well-being, and as much as anything else, it brings joy.
It's not a dementia-labelled group. They can come without any stigma. It's also an opportunity for carers and their loved ones to come together to enjoy music. And we all know the power of music and what the benefits of that are for people living with dementia.
The atmosphere is brilliant. Everybody is so friendly and you just feel part of it and welcome.
I can't wait to get here on Mondays. I'm really excited by it.
It is the highlight of the week for both of us. Because it's Monday, I suppose the whole week's wonderful.
So if you're thinking about coming along to Cradle Choir, I couldn't encourage you enough to do so. I can promise you, you'll have the best time, an hour of singing each week, some wonderful music, and hopefully you'll leave with a big smile on your face and come back and see us the week after.